Hey, what's up guys? Happy New Year. It is 2018 already. 2017 went by so fast. Some of the best devices we've seen in a long time came out this year, and I'm really looking forward to see what 2018 has in store. To kick off with 2018, I am teaming up with a bunch of other creators for a giveaway. Now I'll leave that link down below in the video description. It's pretty simple and easy to enter. All you gotta do is click that link and follow the entry points. There's just different ways to do it. And the more that you do, the more chances you have to win. So that link again is down below in the video description. There's some pretty cool stuff up for grabs on this list. As I look at it, I mean, it's got a NVIDIA Shield Android TV, HTC U Life, got an Honor 7X, a Moto G Plus, you got two new mobile X5s, you got an MI A1, Alcatel Idol 5, unlocked Moto E4 Plus, a Huawei watch, Honor 6S, TicWatch E, Chromecast Ultra, and a Google Home Mini. So yeah, a bunch of cool stuff that you have a chance to win. And again, this is just a way to kick off 2018. It's a way to say thank you to anybody that has been part of my channel, whether you've been here for the beginning or if you're a recent subscriber. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for sharing them. I love it when you guys share my stuff. The contest starts on January 1st and goes to the 12th. On the 13th, the winner will be announced. So you need to stay tuned to your email because that's how it's going to be sent out. An Android file host will be the one that will be contacting you, and then the sponsor of the prize will send that out to you. So that's kind of how it works. If you need more information, just click that link down below in the description. It should answer all your questions. Again, guys, thanks and Happy New Year. I hope that you have a great 2018. I'm looking forward to what it has in store. If you have not subscribed, well, you're going to end up subscribing because if you want to win one of these prizes, that's a way to enter. But if you haven't, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That's the best way to find out when I put out a new video. You'll be the first to know when it comes out. And also follow me on the social networks. I'm mostly over on Twitter. That's where I like to hang out. But I'm over on the other ones too, so you can check me out at those places as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut off this video, and this is probably the last recording of 2017 because it's currently December 30th as I'm recording this. So, man, yeah, 2017 is gone, and we're welcoming in 2018. Happy New Year. Again, I've said that like probably a ton of times. I think I might try to be a little bit more candid with my videos in 2018, not so cookie cutter or cleaned up. Let me know what you think. Do you like the more candid style, or do you like all the cleaned up, edited kind of stuff? And I'm gonna walk over here and shut off record. My kid is going absolutely nuts in the living room right now. I don't know if you can hear him or not, but he's definitely screaming out.